I've seen all over the internet that these PEI boards do so well, but when I try to use them, they don't work very well. I always get layer adhesion issues. Here's my solution. I like to use glue stick. You can put the glue on the rough side, but I like to put the glue on the smooth side. You can use one layer or two, and it normally lasts for 3 to 7 prints. All it takes is a back and forth motion, keeping it level, and I segment it into 2 different sides. After that, I warm up what I need to and make sure that everything is ready so that I can do a bed level. Adding the glue adds a little bit more height. On the Elegoo Neptune 3, the leveling system is pretty sweet. It uses the nozzle to do the homing instead of other bed levels. The next segment is going to be a quick time lapse followed by a comparison of the part with glue stick and the part without glue stick. Now that this one's finished, we can set these side by side so that we can see the comparison of the one with glue stick and the one without. Come next week, my partner is going to have a video on the finished project. I think it turned out pretty stunning. Stick around and see if you can handle seeing how amazing this looks. Thanks for watching. As always, tune in next time, like, subscribe. Thanks.